How to fix WorkJam app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, WorkJam, and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of Storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head over to the app WorkJam. Open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app WorkJam. Once app appears, install it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix WorkJam app not working. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.